So we're hopping into the SPY 452 puts for March 30th, average fill of 0.42 for me. Okay, so we're looking for a rejection on SPY here. It's looking pretty weak, so let's see if we can get a nice dump. If it does break above VWAP, that's where my SL will be. Otherwise, I think we're good for a push down. This is the level I'm really watching right here. So SPY's breaking up a bit. It's all good. As long as we stay below that VWAP level, we're looking good. So SPY rejecting pretty hard after it tried to break out right there. Again, just gotta stay below that zone right there. Also, if we take a look up at that upper candle right there, we can see there was a strong rejection previously, so that's also another level we want to keep on watch. Okay, SPY's pushing up. SPY's pushing down pretty nicely. Do still have to break that low of the day. It's acting as support currently. We had a nice bounce on the previous candle, so we do need to break below to continue down. Alright, SPY, kind of an indecisive candle here. Let's see what it decides to do. Alright, this candle's about to close. So I just need to stay below this level right here, and we're good. Tough area of rejection. Okay, so new candle here. So we're just looking for a continuation below that low of day. SPY's still a little bit indecisive. We'll see a little more clearly what happens now. So we will look to scale out on a low of daybreak. Not the greatest fill for me, 0.42. Could have gotten much cheaper, but it's fine. Not a bad position at all. So we'll look to scale out on that first break of low day, which looks like it's coming up right here. Let's see if it wakes off of it or if it actually breaks. It's a nice dump right there on SPY. Testing, and now we're breaking the low of day. It's wicking, but let's see. I'll look to scale out once we start getting some more room below low of day. Let's see. So there's a lot of selling to the upside. I don't trust this buying down here, even though it is still wicking. It's a pretty hard drop from that rejection. Here we go, SPY. Still above the low of day. So if this level breaks, I think we got much more room down, even to 456. I think it's a possibility. Now we will see it, but 456 is still a level that we can possibly get for that gap fill. So let's see. Right now we're still holding above the support zone. Let me open up my order for sell. 1 second, please. So I'll look to take out a quarter here on this low of day break. On the SPY puts, getting my order ready. And we also don't want to break above the previous high on SPY. Okay, but it's looking good for now. Our position's fine. Just waiting for that low of day break to get a nice scale out. See, testing it here. I want the full body of the candle to be below the low of day. That'd be a great sign for us in our position. There we go. That's a new low of day on SPY right there. Beautiful. And just filled out on some of the puts for 0.45. Not a big gain at all. We'll look to scale out more on the further drop if we get it. So we're seeing some pretty nice weakness. See how much further we can get SPY down to. SPY continuing its drop. This is a great sign. That's a lot of weakness up there that we saw over that level. Great put on that one. So let's see. Again, that 456 level I think is a possibility. I don't think we'll see it, but there's still a chance. They'll probably hold like 1 or 2 contracts for that. Beautiful. Look at that dump. So we just got that nice rejection. Now we're dumping pretty hard. It's almost a point drop from low of day. There we go. We can look to take out some more here. Just filled out. 1 second. I believe I just got 0.51. I mean, no. 0.45. 0.51, sorry. I'm on mobile, so I can't see what the fill is showing right now. So 0.51 right there, 0.45 earlier. Hopefully we can get a nicer continuation on this dump. So far, nothing big. Still decent profit. There we go. Bigger dump right here. SPY is pushing down heavily. It's a great scalp to make up for that Tesla play we had earlier today. Failed on the low day bounce. So let's see here. SPY getting a little bit of buying. Let's see if it continues. We just won't want to break above that low of day. So that low of day should now act as a resistance. When a support breaks, it now acts as a resistance. So we're watching for that level to reject, okay? We don't want to break above it. If it wicks, it'll be fine, but ideally we don't even want to get close to that. Okay, so we're back with SPY. Just dumping pretty hard from where we originally entered. It wicked pretty hard. We're looking like there's still a possibility for that 456 level. Other than that, I might look to scale out some here. Okay, I'm taking out a few more here, 28% on the puts. We'll let it run a bit more. Some more buying coming in here. Still think we see more downward pressure. There we go. Beautiful drop again. 35%. See, we could probably see that 456 level. Don't want to hold down to it, don't want to hope for it, but possibility. So SPY's drop is just continuing right now. The puts are at almost 0.69 in contract. These things are up pretty big, over 60% now. It's a very nice move. Took it off that weakness, and now it's just continuing. Would love to see the 456 level. We'll hold a couple contracts for that, but other than that, we'll just raise my stop loss and we'll see what happens. So, great trade so far on that one.